Hello chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today I'm going to make a super easy steamed okra recipe. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. I have some Tony Cheshire Original Creole seasoning, some garlic powder. I have some Himalayan salt, but you can use any salt of your choice. I also have some dry parsley flakes. You can also use some fresh parsley. Some organic ground turmeric. You can use any turmeric of your choice. I have 3 garlic cloves. I have a 12-ounce bag of frozen cut okra, but you can use fresh okra if you want. I have a small onion. I have a large lemon. You can also use lime. So guys, I just got this new knife called the Diamond Tough knife. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used this knife. The first thing I'm going to do is finely chop my bell pepper, and I'm only going to use half of that bell pepper. And you can use any bell pepper of your choice, whether it's red, yellow, green, or any one of them. I'm doing the same with my 3 garlic cloves. And I'm going to slice my lemon, but I'm only going to use about half of that lemon to cook. So these are all the prepped ingredients: the bell pepper, the garlic, the lemon, the onion, and of course our okra. I'm preheating about 3/4 tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat. And you can use any cooking oil of your choice. Once that's nice and hot, I'm adding my chopped onion, my chopped bell pepper, and finally the garlic. And I'm going to give it a quick stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook until everything is translucent and soft. And I'm making sure to stir it occasionally. I just love the smell of garlic. I'm giving the vegetables a quick stir, and I think that they are just about ready for the next step. Now I'm mixing in half of the bag of the frozen cut okra. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling my dry seasonings. I'm covering the okra with my dry parsley. I'm lightly sprinkling some garlic powder. And I'm doing the same with the Himalayan salt. I'm mixing all my ingredients to spread the flavors evenly throughout the okra. I'm squeezing half of my lemon over my okra using my lemon and lime squeezer. So the lemon juice is going to cut back on the slime that comes from the okra when it's steamed. I love this tool because it retains the pulp and the seed. So I'm going to let it simmer until all the liquid has evaporated while stirring it occasionally. And I'm adding my last ingredient, which I almost forgot, is my Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning. You can see while I'm stirring that the lemon juice does work. Let me know in the comments below if you eat okra and how do you like to eat your okra. So let's take a quick look to see if most of the water has evaporated, and it has. So I would say I will give it less than a minute more to get the little bit of water that's left. So the okra is ready to be served with a side dish. Most of the water has evaporated and it still remains moist. So here's a closer look of the finished okra. So the okra came out amazing and it smells amazing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and let me know in the comments below what would you serve with the okra. I also have some long grain rice and some stewed chicken with potatoes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.